Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. Today we'll be making the Orangutan. First up, take a shaker. Now pour about 60 ml of gin. After this, pour about 30 ml of vodka. Now squeeze half a lemon in this. Now add some ice to the mix. Now fill this up with some orange juice. Now give this mix a good shake. After this, let's get the glass. You can make this drink in any glass you have, but I chose a wine glass because it looks way cooler in this. Add some ice. Now put small lemon slices on the sides. Okay. Now pour this mixture on top. So guys, there you have it, the Orangutan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, followed up with the subscribe button and the small bell icon on the side. Do click them all. Until next time. Cheers!